Meguiar's heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner. Versatile, powerful, non-damaging, its pro-strength formula comes direct from Meguiar's world-renowned professional line to you. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily it removes even the most stubborn dirt, grease and grime, all without the risk of damage. Even more amazing is heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner's versatility. It's fast, safe and effective on an incredibly diverse range of exterior and interior surfaces, including paint, plastic, fabric, carpet and vinyl, just not natural leather or suede, all of which makes it perfectly suited to car, home or boat use. Heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner backs this amazing versatility with an impressive cleaning punch. Sure, greasy, grimy, oily deposits are a fact of life. However, they're no match for the powerful cleaning might of heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner. Spray onto a cloth or directly onto the surface. Wipe the area, then simply wipe off or rinse off. Such incredible cleaning power has never been so quick and easy. It's great on wheel arches, door jambs, running boards, mud flaps, rubber and chrome. In fact, it can even be used as a safe and effective engine bay cleaner and degreaser. For best results, use Meguiar's terry toweling cloths. Their plush, knitted loop pile is non-scratching, yet provides superior dirt pickup for a thorough clean. However, for in-ground crud on textured surfaces, some agitation may be required. And forget having to buy a separate interior cleaner, Meguiar's heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner is just as effective inside as it is out. Here again, spray, then wipe. And even the stickiest, messiest spill or pet spoil will be a thing of the past. And unlike other so-called heavy-duty cleaners that rely on harsh chemicals, the advanced chemistry in Meguiar's heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner works its magic without staining, bleaching or stripping the colour. With its ability to quickly, safely and effectively clean, you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. Meguiar's heavy-duty multi-purpose cleaner. Versatile, powerful, non-damaging.